What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Babbitt Chops the Nightmare Critter from Poppy Playtime 4. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page with the front edge of the hair. We're going to start right in the middle with a curve from left to right. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Now I'm going to draw two more curls on either side. Just going a little bit smaller, going up, step down on the right, just fold that in. Let's go back over toward the left side, add another curl, going up, step down, just tuck that in. Now over on the left side, I'm going to draw a half circle for the left eye. Let's start from the top, come all the way around, and then just tuck that up underneath. Go back to the left side, I'm going to draw a half oval for the highlight, and we'll fill the eye in black. Let's move over towards the right side and draw the top edge of the nose. We're going to start right here, bend this across, and then down. And we'll tuck the right eye in underneath. So we're going to start from the top, underneath the hair, curve that in behind the nose, continue along the bottom, going around, and then back up. And again, we're going to draw that half oval for the highlight, and then we'll fill the inside of the eye in black. Let's add a small fold along the inside of the left eye, coming down and out. Move in, draw a curve for the nostril. Now we want to draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to move to the center, start with a point. Let's start with the left side. Bend this down, go up around the eye, towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going down, and then up. Let's curve the mouth, just adding a bracket along the side. Let's tuck the bottom edge of the mouth underneath. We're going to start from that bracket, go all the way around towards the bottom of the mouth, go across, and then up on the right. And then in the center, we're going to add those teeth. On the sides, bend this down and in towards the bottom, then round out the bottom. Let's separate the teeth, starting in the middle. Just going to bend this down over towards the left. Now, over on the left side, let's add the tongue. We'll start with the fold, and go up, and then down, step back, and draw that again. Now I want to fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now with the face complete, we just want to wrap the head going around. Let's start underneath the hair on the left side and draw a short line coming down towards the corner of the mouth. It's going to curve the cheek, going around the mouth. I'm just going to follow this in towards the middle, towards the chin. And I just want to wrap this back around on the right side and then in towards the right eye. Go all the way around, go up, and we'll bend that back in. Now over on the left side, we're going to tuck the ear in behind the hair. So we're going to start with that curve first, going up and then in, and then we'll tuck the ear in behind. So we're going to step down, go all the way around, and then back in. Let's add a seam across the top with a curve. Now we're going to draw the top of the hair going all the way around and then back in on the right side. So let's start on top of the ear, add that one curve. I just want to go a little bit higher along the top, adding a larger curve. Now we're going to start to bring these down, coming along the side of the head. Let's add a couple more, coming in. I just want to tuck this in on the right. Let's go back underneath the ear and work our way around the bottom of the head. So we're going to start down here, come this around and in, go around the cheeks, down underneath the head. And we're just going to continue this all the way around towards the right. Now I'm just going to make my way back up towards the side of the head. Just adding a few more. And we'll draw that same ear flipped over on the right side. So we're just going to line this up, going up, come around, and then back in. And then we'll add that seam across the top. Now with the head complete, let's move down towards the center of the body and add in that skull. We're starting on the left side. We're going to draw a circle with an open end across the bottom, going all the way around. Now we're going to add 4 sets of teeth, starting back on the left, goes down and up, almost like drawing a U, and 3 more going across towards the right. Let's add 2 circles on either side for the eyes, and then we're going to fill those in black. Let's add a small triangle in the center for the nose and fill that in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top, go up, across, and then down, and then we'll add the chain. From the top corners, and goes up and out underneath the head, step down and draw that again. Now I'm just going to move over towards the left side and draw on the arm. Let's start underneath the head, bend this down, and then out. Just round out the arm, go out and up along the side, go up, and then in underneath the head. Let's separate the arm across the bottom with a curve. Now over on the right side, we're going to draw the edge of the body. We come down and out around the skull, and then bend that across along the bottom of the belly. Let's draw on that left leg. We're going to step back, bend this around, and then down towards the bottom. Round up the bottom of the leg. Now just going to round this out, go in, and then up underneath the arm. And again, we're just going to separate the bottom of the leg with a curve. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw that same leg on the right side. So start with that same curve coming down, round up the leg, go up and then in underneath the body, and then again, we're just going to line up that seam across. Now I'm going to layer the right arm in behind the body. Let's start underneath the head, bend this out, come down, and then in. I'm just going to line that up with the left arm, and then line up that seam going across. Now let's add that puffy tail over on the left side of the arm with 3 curves. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Baby Chops, the Nightmare Critter from Poppy Playtime 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.